How to hide notifications on lock screen on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide or disable notifications from your iPhone lock screen for better privacy. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open your settings application and then you gotta scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the option that says apps. So just click on apps and here you gotta choose the specific app for which you wish to disable or hide the notifications. So for example, I'm going to click on the messaging app. So I'm just going to search for the messages app and here I'm going to click on messages. And once you click on messages, you're going to click on notifications over here. And over here, you'll be able to see the notifications. So here you can either simply just, click on this and toggle off the allow notifications, or however, if you want to receive notifications but just not on the lock screen, you can disable it from here like this, and you wouldn't be able to see the notification appear on the lock screen. However, if you really wish to remove the preview, on the lock screen, you'll be able to see which app has, sent the notification, but you wouldn't really be able to see what the notification is, like who has messaged you or who has liked your reel or anything like that. So you wouldn't be able to see that. So you can just click on show previews. And here it says that when unlocked, when it is unlocked, you'll be able to see that who has sent you the message. However, you can click on never. When you click on never, you wouldn't be able to see who has messaged you in that particular notification. You would only get notifications such as one notification from Instagram. And when you click on that, you'll be able to see that what the notification was about, but you wouldn't be able to see the notification on the lock screen before that. So you can simply click on when unlocked, and when your phone is unlocked, you would be able to see notification. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to see that. So that was basically how you can hide or disable notification on lock screen on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.